Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a recipe of chicken momos. Today is 4th of September, which is Onam festival in our college. We are not attending Onam, so today we decided to make chicken momos. So let's get into the video. For filling, first we need to chop onion. The filling is ready and we were making momos. She's Milmate, she's Pussy, she's Yanchain, she's Aruna. Video was shooting by Norzang. You guys will see her later. Everyone was busy making momos. This mokto was so cute. Finally, we make more than 50 momos. Half momos were cooked. My friend, she was making rose momo and one was making rifle. This looks so pretty, like her. This typho was prepared by my friends. My friend who was shooting video before, she's her. This is prepared by Niozang. Finally, after an hours, finally it's all cooked. We served it and we enjoyed eating. The chicken momos was so tasty and this typho, it was freaking so delicious and so we enjoyed eating. This is how we celebrated Onam. Thank you so much guys for watching. Keep supporting and keep loving.